Hello everyone, this is Mugundan Raghavan, and this video we are going to see how to implement the self-healing in Playwright. As we know that in Playwright we have the auto-wait mechanism, retry mechanism. However, implementing self-healing is very essential in case if you have the flaky locators. What do you mean by flaky locators? Instead of giving only one locator to find the web element, we are giving multiple locators for the same web element, so that in case if any one of the locator fails in the execution, it will try to find the other locator so that it will find the web element. Here you can see fill username self-fill method instead of fill username. Instead of giving directly only one locator, I am giving the list of locators and the current page to the find element method. If you go to the find valid element, it will be again having the locator and the timeout time. Basically, it iterates all the locators from the list or from the array, and it will try to find the valid locator. In case if it finds the valid locator in the first iteration itself, it will be attaching to the valid element. In case if it does not find it, if the timeout happens, then it will attach to the error. Again, it will go to the next element inside the array or list. So in that case, it will find the locator maybe in the positive scenario, maybe in the first element, or maybe in the last element. In case if it is finding, then it will be returning the valid element. Now, if we go to the login page, again, we are getting the valid locator. By finding the valid locator, we can just continue the username. However, this method can return locator or null value in case if all the locators given in the list are invalid. So for that reason, we are using the question mark so that we can find and we can make sure that it is the locator. It is not a null value. After finding that, we are filling the username and we are validating same the username is filled or not. Now coming to the login test, here you can see the same page, but here I am using the fill username self-fill. I am just entering the dummy value demo underscore self-fill. If I try to run this, here you can see the value has been filled. And here you can see the found valid element in the first instance itself, which is the hash username. If you go to the login page, here you can see hash username. Let's imagine I just give some dummy value so that it has to go to the second one. At the same time, it will write the console message and log messages mentioning this locator became invalid so that the tester can update or they can remove it. Let's re-execute one more time. Here you can see invalid locator username 9 found the valid locator. By using that valid locator, it just fixed it and it filled the name and test case passed. Imagine all the locators are invalid and try to execute one more time. So the first one is invalid locator, second one, and continuously all the things will be located. Here you can see all the locators are invalid. You can see the message also all locators are invalid. So obviously the test case is failed. It is a very rare scenario that all the locators will be invalid. So in this way, we have provided the list of locators so that it will be very less chance that test case will fail and it will be very robust test case because self-healing mechanism will try to find out at least one valid locator and it will try to finish the test case. And even if that is failing, we will be having the console and log messages to fix the locators for the future case. So in this way, we have implemented the self-healing in the Playwright. And this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others' cloud.